Malibu Ferrari with the engine on the Volkswagen inside of it. We have some cars from Back to the Future Part 1 and 2. And we have some cars from the Flintstones. We also have some cars from the Fast and Furious franchise. One car mixed in from Jurassic World. We have the Gyrosphere here. Car 2, would you mind taking a seat? Thank you. And also we have a tank on your left from Transformers. Now that tank, I know it looks really epic, but I would not take it out to battle. The Lost World. If you look closely at that mobile app, you can see very much like the tank from Transformers. It's made entirely out of wood, painted to look like metal. Alright, let's get some mood music up in here. What is up, John Williams, and your incredible score? Uh-oh, watch out. Watch out, they spit. No big deal, it's just come on. So that mobile app you all saw on to your left, I said it was made entirely out of wood, painted to look like metal. Well, this is the reason why. So this is the scene it was used for. We had to dangle it off of a cliff in Costa Rica. Like for movies or TV shows, we created ourselves here on the back lot. So we're going to do a little weather demo for you all next. We're going to show you how we might make it rain here on our Old Mexico sets. And by the way, folks, if you're sitting in a blue seat today, you will get wet. They're all blue seats. Angel look. Alright, so first the thunder and lightning effects, and now this is the fun part. We're making it rain. So we're using a very fancy film technique. It's called a sprinkler system. What we do is we shoot the water straight up. It falls down naturally. It's all connected to a tank at the very top of the hill that recycles that water over and over and over again. The rain droplets are a bit bigger than they would be in real life. They show up on camera, but if they still don't show up on camera, all you got to do is put a little powdered milk in there. So it wasn't really singing in the rain, folks. It was actually singing in the milk. Gross, right? You can stop and start this whenever you need to. It just becomes invaluable when you're shooting. Very rarely do you know. Oh, there's some rumbling. Oh, I think there's some flash flood headed our way now. Watch out, folks. Flash flood. Sorry, cut car. Hope you safe up here, no worries. Oh, JK. I lied big time. You know what, though? Speaking of liars, this whole section of our back lot, including the flash flood, was used for big fat liars. So I called you a Monty man of buying spanking it as. Check it out on your screens.
You can't run the wolf, kid! Yeah, we'll see about that.
Also, Nacho Libre, shout out here to Jack Black, as well as Indiana Jones and the Kingdom of the Crystal Skull on one episode of Westworld on HBO. Speaking of Westworld, we're heading into our 6 Points Texas sets. These are some of the oldest sets here. A lot of famous cowboys who down these streets. John Wayne, Jimmy Stewart, Clint Eastwood, Audie Murphy, and more recent ones like Brad Pitt and Leonardo DiCaprio. There's a movie out in theaters right now. It's called Once Upon a Time in Hollywood, written and directed by Quentin Tarantino. And I mentioned that over here because they heavily utilized their 6 Points Texas sets. In fact, they were in scenes where Rick Dalton, played by Leonardo DiCaprio, was in a Western TV show called Lancer. So all of those scenes were shot over here in our 6 Points Texas sets. Alright folks, we are approximately at the halfway mark of the tour. Just they got the last episode of the final season just a few weeks ago, but check out this promo for the first season as we drive through. The sound saving with the turn of the mic as always remain seated. There aren't some exits over here, but don't worry, that was just one of our slight California tremors that we feel from time to time. We're Mike for that period of time. But we are now at Whoville from Dr. Seuss's How the Grinch Stole Christmas. If you look closely at these sets, you can see they look like they're made out of concrete, but they are not. They're made entirely out of styrofoam, chicken wire. It's just a little bit of wood. Now, the residents of Whoville had a lot more to worry than just a group.
We all go on a rant sometimes.
Watch out, NASCAR. That was cool as that guy's a psycho. 12 rooms, 12 vacancies, and I hear the shower room number 1 is just to die for. We're coming up to actual mother's house for the first cycle memory. She's only about 1 million years old and looks at She's probably mad because this is what her backyard looks like. This is the colossal set to War of the Worlds, directed by Steven Spielberg. That is a real airplane off to your left, a Boeing 747 that was purchased for about $60,000, which you might think for an airplane is a pretty good price. It will cost them over $200,000. They always get you in the shipping and handling every single time.
It's all designed around the vision of Steven. And to sit down and talk about the world. I thought, what if the 747 goes down right in a big neighborhood? Because it's just something you don't see.
You're doing good. If you're doing good, keep because of me. Listen, listen, I want you to close your eyes, okay? Now closed. Robbie, get in. Get in.